Stop by and take a look at the 2005 Z4. This vehicle is powered by a rear-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with a 5-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, rollover protection system. Inside you'll find airbags, front knee, cruise control, power door locks, power windows, tachometer, power steering. The BMW Z4 represents a slight change in philosophy for BMW's Roadster, as it sacrifices ultimate handling for greater ride comfort and overall refinement. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You found it, so stop in today.